I done some pictures, took pictures of the sign, and it's like 0.5 miles, so it ain't too far. There's a road right next to me, so apologize for the car noises. Getting back to what I was doing out this way, if you follow the road that way all the way out, there's like a little small community called Ford, F-O-R-D. There's literally maybe 6 or 7 abandoned houses. So go up there and film those and take pictures of those. Alright. Living in the Kentucky River. Bridges, fords, and ferries. There's another raid, Confederate raids of 1863. There's some Confederate raids. The Union Army to take action. Seen some people up there a while ago. I didn't want to stop. A bunch of people trying to social distance. Well, that's washed away on the side. Good exercise. I ain't been to the gym in about 2 weeks. I need to go back. I've never been up this way. I've been to actual fort, but not been up here. The quest for land. And here we are, right here. I guess this is the trail. Winchester's up here. Whew. A little out of breath right there. Hopefully I'll find Bigfoot. Never know. Got 2 bars, I could go live again. This is as far as I'm gonna go. I don't know how far it goes up here. Keeps on going. The Eye of the Rich Land is another one. That keeps going up that way. That's 0.5 miles. We probably ain't even went that far yet. Property was purchased, funds by the Natural Finance license plate. I don't know what kind of bird that is, but I hear it. I'm gonna end this video. Before something eats me in the woods and I'm by myself. This is a short little video I'll put together with some spots I found up the road. If y'all like it, give it a thumbs up. If you ain't subscribed to us yet, subscribe. Keep tuned. We will be doing the world's largest ghost hunt this Saturday, September 26, 2020. Starting around 8 or 9 p.m. And that's be on location, different locations in Madison County. Maybe some different spots, we don't know yet. We're gonna try to get out there a little bit, get our live going. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Thanks. I stopped on the side of the road. This is a mural done right down from Fort Boonsboro. I was going down towards Halls on the River and found a little cave on the side of the road. I'm just out trying to get some locations today. Tomorrow we're going to go to some hillier locations and some caves and stuff like that. I'm just out, not about 10 minutes. I live in Richmond, so I'm on exit 90. And this is on exit 97, so I'm literally like not even 10 minutes from my house. This is just old Fort Boonsboro. I don't even know if it's open right now. But here's the mural. And here's pretty much explains where it's going on. There's the Kentucky River. I live down here in Richmond. There's Winchester. And here's just like the... Woo! I thought there was something behind me. It was people working on the river over there. And then over this way, you see down in there, it's Kentucky River. This is Civil War Fort number 9. And it says video surveillance. So I'm just gonna park hours. There's the park hours. Stay on trails. No ATVs. October to April, May to September, 9 to 8. So it's open right now. 0.5 miles. Here's the front of it. It does say video surveillance, but not doing nothing wrong. We're just doing YouTube.